This is a reminder video to help you place a hold on a library book. If you start on the bookmarks page, you will click on the Follett Destiny Library Catalog. Once in the Destiny site, you need to go up to the top right corner and click Login. If you don't log in, you will not have the option to place a hold on a book. When you log in, you use the left side and sign in with Google. You do not do anything on the right side. You only use the left. You select your name off the list, and it'll sign you in. Once you're in the site, the first thing you will see is recently added books. You can use the arrow on the right to scroll through them. If you scroll down a little further, you can search by topic of books. As you can see, there's over 200 choices. You can scroll through them all, or you can use the filters on the left to make some changes. I'm going to change the length of books. I know I don't want a book that's 800 pages, so I can slide this bar in and make that less. I can make it 340. If I want at least 100 pages, I can scroll the left side up. You click Done, and then your list is updated. To place a hold on a book, you will scroll down, decide what you want, and you can either click on the book, read a little more information about it, and then place the hold, or you can place the hold right here on this screen, and it'll go on your list. You can see your list on the left side under holds. If you want to do a third book, you're going to have to send me an email because you are only allowed to make 2 holds. I hope you have a good time searching for books.